Okay, I finished the roof, that part of the roof, last night. As always, it took me longer than I thought. I was hoping, I guess. But it's completed. I didn't finish until like 10:30. Luckily, Amy and Nicole picked me up another light, so I was able to continue working. And I just basically took my time. There was no dew, and just took my time and did it right and got it done. It's always nerve-wracking when you're on the edge, but luckily this house had built-in gutters, so there's like a 1.5 foot area that's pretty flat. So I was able to work into that area, or sit in that area to finish up the last part. So I also buttoned up the other side, even though I need to do that yet. I did a ridge cap all the way down. Right in the center of the screen there. So that's the last section for the main part of the roof. So I don't know when we're doing it, but probably not till spring, not till next year now. But huge accomplishment getting that other side done. I've been dreading that. It was a tough side to work on because I had to go up and over every trip. I don't know how many times I was up and down that roof. 30, 40. I don't know. Okay. It's early in the morning. Got to get going, get to my other job, and I'll be back at it later.